Everybody, how are you? Welcome to Tam Predicts, and today I'm using the Everyday Witch cards. They are beautiful. Let's see what all messages I can tell you. Also, I will be starting my spell classes. One spell class will be next Saturday, which is 11th of May, okay? And I will leave all the details, whatever you need for the classes. I will tell you everything. Let's see what are the messages for today, what all I can tell you. Spirit guides, please show me some messages. Oh, very giving. You're a very giving person. You know, you've been giving a lot. Six of Cups, very kind person and very thoughtful. This is your energy. And I feel be ready to receive some flowers. Be ready to receive some good karma back because I feel you've been awesome and you've been doing such beautiful things in your life. Definitely receiving something from the loved one is another thing that I get. Somebody's going to be as thoughtful as you are and give you something. I definitely feel today, since yesterday I was thinking of the word karma and I was like, you've done such good things in your life, and somebody's going to realize that also, especially your loved one. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune, things are going to change pretty much soon for you. 10 hours, 10 days. You could be dealing with an October born. You could be an October born. I see 1010 a lot, okay? You might be buying a home and things like ring. There's a ring. There are so many things here, and there's a star, there's a sun, there's a heart, book. Everything will be changing for you, like in the sense it will land on something, you know, suddenly, unexpectedly it will land on something and things will change for you. I also feel your destiny is in your hand. With this, I also feel pretty much in control of what's going to happen, is what I get, you know, that you are in control of whatever, you know, you want in life. And it's almost like the Wheel of Fortune is in your hands and you're going to turn it. I get a very, very strong energy, and I also feel some of you have disconnected from the person if they are not kind or if they are not showing you any love. Look at this, the Chariot. You're going to make your own way, you're going to make your own destiny. If they want to follow you, it's fine, but you're very sure that what you want to do, it's like you're not going anybody else's way, you're going to make your own way, okay? You could have got a new vehicle. I get the word ride, I get the word bikes. See, this way, that way, and seriously, this is my way. So now you're going to ask people. I mean, you've done so much for people, you've been so kind that somewhere somebody's taken you for granted, or kind people always taken for granted that they will not do anything. But I get the energy is so good with the Wheel of Fortune. And look, what when I turned the cards, I got this one. The Lovers. I got the Lovers. The Wheel of Fortune is so strong. You've got your destiny in your hand and you will make it happen. Also, I see the King of Pentacles with this card. You know what I see? That somebody's enjoying their own life, did not bother about you. You know, you were kind enough to provide them with everything, but they did not bother. You're going to change your destiny yourself. This is you, and I think this is the strongest card and the strongest reading that I am getting right now. When you're going to make things go your way, okay? You're not going to go anybody's way, and they are going to feel your energy. They're going to feel the power, or the power in the energy, and they will try to come back. You know, you've done running after someone. I'm also getting you've done running, and this is the time they need to run after you. If they want, you really not bothered. That's the kind of energy. Yeah, because you've been carrying the burden of the whole situation, you know. It's like almost all messages, all calls, not been, no replies, nothing. It's such a heavy energy and you've been carrying it. And with this card, I feel so much lighter that you're going to decide your destiny, you know. You do not want somebody just waiting and feeding the person, like, you know, taking care of the person, or bringing money to the table for some of you. You know, giving so much love. You know, this person is just like, okay, come here, eat this. You know, it's almost like giving you a little piece back, like that kind of a thing. But you will be like, I do not want that, keep it. And you know, I want more in life, is what I get with those cards. Spirit guides, please give me some more messages. I've kept those cards again away. I don't want them to be in the same deck, so that's why I'm shuffling. Yeah, you could have gotten out of the relationship much sooner, but you did not. But here's your broom. You know, you saw the broom, you're going to untie the cords, you're going to untie the rope, and you are going to almost pick up the sword and fight back. I mean, you're not going to accept that this is my destiny, or this is the guy, or this is the girl, or whatever gender is sorry, this is how it's going to be. You will not accept it. You're going to make, you know, you're going to make your own way, and you're going to be happy. And I definitely feel somebody re-entering your life, or somebody new, or somebody is going to come back and promise you the world, okay? Because now that You have shown them that I'm not less than anybody, or I'm not less than you, and I deserve a good life too. Look at the hangman energy. It actually came reversed in my hand. So the person who was just hanging upside down is actually going to change their perspective and going to show some action, because otherwise you're going to choose your own way. Otherwise you're already free from them. You've told them that I want freedom, I don't want to be in this, and you've been giving me no energy. Or look at this person, just enjoying their life while you've been working. You've been under so much pressure, and you're like, I'm not going to take this anymore, and I'm going to set myself free. It's almost when you wanted to break away from them, they lured you back, or they tempted you back with things, that, I mean, the person is showing cake here, but it is like, I'll be okay, I will not trouble you, I'll change myself, but nothing like that happened. Red color is going to give you energy, okay? Blue is also good for you, okay? Yeah, waiting for someone. Somebody will enter your life, re-enter your life. Something to do with 6, 6 or 6 number. The Page of Swords, somebody who is going to voice out what they feel. They're going to fight for you. Somebody could be younger. You could be dealing with an air sign, okay? You've got the Lovers also. So somebody's going to come and fight, and fight for you, okay? Will understand. And somebody who is very lively and very energetic, and it's almost like they want you back. Maybe they are studying right now, could be like a PhD or something higher studies, I get, and they're very creative, but they're going to be much wiser, okay? They might be younger, but they're wiser, or they've come back much wiser, or this could be a new energy if you're looking for a new person. This card came twice. I did keep it out of the deck, but this is you. Look at this. Always being kind to people, and you're going to receive back a lot, guys, because universe is watching you. There is karma, and that's what you're going to get back. Queen of Swords. This is the queen. You are this wiser, stronger, with experience, knowing things, what is right, what is wrong. It's almost like protecting your boundaries, making your boundaries. You've got somebody to protect you. The energy is like that, you cannot just come into my life. It's almost like the word I got, prove yourself, okay? Prove yourself that you belong here. Enjoying life. 9 of Cups. You made your castle. You've got the cups here. You're okay with somebody comes back, not, but you are enjoying. Maybe you're going to travel, okay, towards a beach, but 9 of Cups is so beautiful here. Yeah, there's a crab here. You could be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, but with the crab I get more like Cancer. You've done your work, and now you're like enjoying your life. You know that you have a lot of love to give, and you know that the person who will come to your life will realize, I feel somebody is going to come back. I think you've ghosted them, like part ghosting, like you've not ghosted them from all media, but somebody wants you back, or somebody is going to run after you. I'm not even getting the word chase, I'm getting the word run. I'm getting the word sneakers. Look at this. They choose you. I've written they choose you, so they know that. Don't want to lose you. They choose you, and they don't want to lose you. Need courage to talk to you. They've done something wrong, and they know that they need courage. They know you are in that very good energy, and you know that they are you are not going to just come their way. I'm giving you hints, so they want to be with you, and there would be some dropping hints. They are all over the place because they do not know how to manage this relationship, okay? So they're also like restless or irritable, and they're like, how do I get this person back? Or they're not listening to me. They always went my way. They're also just shocked by this change in behavior. I feel for you. So right now, they would have not told their feelings to you, but right now they're saying, I feel for you, I respect you and value you. So everything is coming here. It's like almost when you're in control of your own life, everything is they're like, okay, I respect you. Celebration. So they want to celebrate an anniversary they missed, or something, a birthday, so they want to celebrate something. All over the place has come second time. I'm scared to get in touch with you because they do not know how will you react. So they're scared, about when they call you, or is there a reaction? Will you fight? Will you just not bother? Actually, they're more worried that you will be cold with them and you would not bother. Don't go. They want to say, don't go away, but you've made up your mind somewhere, you know. Let's do some zodiac signs, and I'll also do some planet cards. Let's do 6 spirit guides. Please give me 6. You're pretty much making your own way. When you make your own way, that energy, that was a hangman energy with no action, they are realizing that they cannot just keep waiting or make you wait. They have to get down the tree, you know, get on the ground on their feet and do something about it. 6. You've got Libra. This could be you or the other person. You've got Leo. You've got Virgo. You've got Gemini. What strong energy? Aquarius. And let's see one more. You've got Taurus. So that is the energy, so strong, so beautiful. And yeah, let's do any planet, any cards that they are here. Let's see any cards. Spirit guides, please give me a message. I've got the house card. The second house, your assets, finances, and the thing that you value. It's all about value. You've changed your destiny. It's like, I'm going to make money. If some of you did not bother about your career, all you thought was about love, you're going to change that, okay? You've got Vesta, the goddess within. Wow, your sacred spiritual center and quiet dignity. This is you. You are so dignified. You're like a queen. You did not create a ruckus, but they knew your energy, that they have to get you. Okay, that's the Lover's card. They know that you're going your own way, because look at the energy here. The person who you are dealing with is going to get off the seat and come towards you. Okay, that's what you want, because I love this card, guys. This is saying so much to me today. Yeah. So take care, guys, and have a beautiful day. And my spell class is on 11th, and I will write everything. If you are interested, just drop me a message, email me. My email is there, but write that it's for the spell class, because I get so many personal reading ones also. I'll get confused. So just write for spell class. I'll send you. It's at a very less charge. Okay, I'm not going to charge too much, and very, very affordable, so you guys can enjoy and learn spell work. Bye, guys. Take care.